Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how we will use Python script in Automation Anywhere 2019. So this is my Automation Anywhere 2019. First, what we need to do, we need to click on the My Bots option. Here we need to click on Create New, then Bot. Here we have to give of our bot name. So I am going to give my bot name is run python script a 2019. Then click on create and edit. So here you will see my bot has been created with name run python script a 2019. So after that, what you need to do, you have to call python script on this platform. So here you will see the action option. Now you have to type python. You will see python script option, python close, execute function, execute script, then open. So if you click on this option open, if you drag it this option, then here it will ask you you want to import your existing python script file or you want to give it manually. So here we have a python script which we need to call on this a 2019. So if I run this python script in a29 in my spider, I'm using spider python. So if I run it this python script, then I will get the output 2 or 4. As I'm giving this value here 2, so I'm getting the output 2, and giving 4, so I'm getting else is 4. So what I need to do, I need to pass these values in my a 2019. So what I'm going to delete this and I will pass it as an input variable in my python script in my a 2019 platform. So here it will ask you import existing file and manual input. So if I click on manual input, so it will ask me it will ask you enter script here. So what we need to do, we need to select this script, then copy this script from here and paste it in this box. uh, so here we can directly copy and paste our script. If we don't want to do it manually, so what we need to do, we need to select import existing file. Here it will ask you from where you want to import your python script file. It will in control room, or it is in desktop, or you have saved it in variable. So here I'm using desktop option. So I'm going to browse my file which we have saved on desktop. So click on desktop, and this is my python file test code. So here you will see my python file.py has been imported. So after that, it will ask you what python version you are using. Automation Anywhere 2019 supports only two version, is 2 or 3. So it will ask you 2x or 3x. So I'm using 3.7, so I have selected 3, then save. So here I have opened my python script. Then after that, I have to run this script. So what I will use, I will call execute function here. If I drag execute function option here, so it will ask me enter the name of the function to be executed, and enter the name of the function to be executed. So what we need to do, we need to go on our python script and select the function which we want to execute on a 2019. So what I am going to do, I'm selecting my function name is absolute value. I have copied from it, and then paste it. Absolute value, enter the name. It will match with my Python script, so my script will run. Now it is asking the input argument to the function optional. So here we need to give the input variable. So what I am going to do here, I am creating my input variable. Name is v input number and the type is number. So it will ask you, you want to give input value default or you want to give your value on the runtime. So now I'm using it 0. I'll give the input value on runtime. Then it will ask you assign the output to the variable. So here I'm using prompt string, then save. So what if I want to use my input variable as runtime? So what I will use? I will use assign option here. So I'll go into the number. There are so many assign option: boolean, data table, date, time. So as I'm using in my input variable number type, so I will select number, then assign, then drag this assign option. Here it will ask you select the source string variable or value. So here we can pass directly our value. So like I am giving 3 here, and it will ask you select the destination number, and I am selecting my destination number is v input number, which I have already given in my execute Python script execute function is v input number. So before giving it into the Python script executing function, what I am doing, I am assigning 3 to this number. So I am assigning dynamic this value on the runtime, then save, and the output will come in the prompt assignment. So if you want to see your output, so what you will do, you have to go into the message box option, then drag this message box here and enter the message to display. Here you can select your output variable. So I'm taking my output variable in prompt assignment, so I'm selecting it and then save. So here you have open your Python script, your script it here. You want to run this script on your A2019, you have opened this script. So before doing you are passing your input variable here, but now what you are doing, you are passing your input variable in assign numbers, and you are using your input variable in v input number. Then if you want to see your message output, then you can save it in message box. After that, what you have to do, then you need to close this script, then close. So now you have to run this program. If I run it, so I'll see the output variable is 3. As I'm passing 3 as an input, so it will give me the output 3. So here you can see the output is 3.0. Why it is giving 3.0? As you have selected the output is in prompt assignment, so it is giving is in a string, so it is 3.0. If we want we want our output as number, so what we need to do, we have to go into the string to number. We can convert our output variable, like output variable is the prompt assignment into the number. Here we can give input v input number, If you want another variable, then you can create your another variable, but I'm using the input number over here. So guys, here are the steps which we can use to run the Python script on A29. How here you can directly pass your function, you can directly pass your input variable, you can take the output variable, and you can save it as another in message box and another variable as well.